Yes, all good. Kamusta yung first episode or first half ng episode 1 of Sparks Camp Season 3? Okay, nagustuhan niyo ba, friends from the media, friends, ex-campers? Yes, all good. Okay, feel ko medyo ina-absorb pa rin nila yung first episode ng Season 3. Pero grabe, super bitin. As in, no? I wanna watch more from it. But before we get on with our questions from our friends from the media, we would like to acknowledge our Head of New Business and Digital Services from ABS-CBN, Ms. Elaine Uy! Thank you so much, Ms. Elaine, for joining us. And also with her is our ABS-CBN Digital Team. Yay! Thank you guys so much for joining us and also for making Sparks Camp Season 3 possible. Ayan. Okay, bago natin simulan ang ating Q&A portion with our campers and of course our creative producers and Miss Mela, our mother Sparker. Okay, gusto ko muna malaman yung reactions ng campers natin sa first half ng ng episode 1 ng Season 3. Okay, go Julio.
Sabi ko nga sa kanila, like, most of the time, parang, pwede ko may power ng mura. Okay, wow, I don't remember all these things. Yeah, like, parang bago siya ulit. So kung kami na-excite na kaming nandun, paano pa kaya yung mga manonood? Diba?
Yes, true. Okay, go Kat.
I have the same sentiments with Julio. Kasi every time, pinapanood ko yung every scene, nasabi ko pala yun. Oh my God, sabi ko na lang.
Ganun pala reaction ko.
Hindi ko na-expect talaga. Pero siguro kasi all of the expressions and the things that I have said, those were really me talaga. That was the real me. Yun ang masasabi ko.
I love it. Thank you so much, Kali. Go, Andrew.
Yeah, for me, watching again the first episode, it kind of makes me feel like I don't want to go back home. It's like very nostalgic na parang even though kakashoot lang namin siya, parang gusto ko ulit-ulitin yung camp. Parang gusto ko sa mga season 4 siya.
Yes!
Kung meron.
Malay natin may spin-off, yes. Diba? Guest camper naman sa season 4, diba? Okay, go Harold.
Ayun, masaya ako kasi nakapagpatawa ako, gano'n. Tsaka
vampire.
Fun lang, diba? Tapos ayun, and ang dami kong ambag. Sobra, may 2.5 ka na.
Yes!
Set na lang ako.
Oh, love it. Okay, thank you, Harold. Okay, Kim.
Nung pinapanood ko parang na-miss ko yung camp and na-miss ko yung life namin doon. Pero mas nagulat ako na gano'n pala ako crush ni Kali. Ito Joke lang.
Okay. Go Kim. Okay, Edward.
Hello. Actually, parang nandito kami, ako, para maghanap lang ng jowa. Tapos hindi ko alam na meron mga ganun pala. So, as someone na anxious na, sobrang overwhelmed ako sa lahat. But sobrang
Jower.
Naintindihan niyo ba? Kasi ako hindi talaga eh.
Si Julio talaga yung reaction niya eh.
Pero parang na-realize, na-speaking pala tayo, parang ko lang. Okay pala, no? Ganda. Hindi ko na-expect na ganun pala siya ka-funny yung mga other side natin.
Isa yun sa highlights ng episode for me.
Diba? So, yes. Hindi naiintindihan eh.
Pati ikaw, actually naiintindihan mo ba yung sarili mo?
Hindi.
I love it, bongga. Thank you so much, Jower. Okay. Go, Hans.
Nung napanood ko yung first 30 minutes, parang yung feelings nung pagpasok namin ng camp, yung lahat ng nangyari, parang naramdaman ko ulit. Sobrang exciting, sobrang nostalgic. I'm so excited for you guys to watch the whole season. Yun lang.
Okay, go Aaron.
Wait. First of all, di ko na-expect na si Edward pala yung 10 over 10. And also, super cute ng half episode and exciting siya. So, manood tayo.
Okay, last but not least, Julian.
Ito no joke as you watch the show, makikita nyo naman na naging genuine at nagpakatotoo kami. We're not afraid to show our real emotions towards the campers. So kapag nag-cringe kami over a certain thing, ipapakita namin na cringe kami. So for those people na nagkaroon ng prejudgment, I just want to say that please give this show a chance.
Yes. And guys, nalaman din natin kung saan nakatira si Julian. Ayala, ano ba? Love it! Okay, thank you so much. From our campers now to our creative producer and our director. Okay, directed.
Oh, yes! Yeah, I'm really just overwhelmed. And then, of course, I'm happy our boss really went backstage to congratulate me. Naiiyak daw siya sa kakatawa. Thank you, Boss Anin. So, ayun, I'm just happy na napapanood na ng lahat. As you can see, tama si Mother Mela. Napaka-articulate ni Mother Mela. Kasi akala ng mga tao, when they saw the pictures of the campers, ito yung parang tipong puksaan, na parang alang ano. But as you can see, they were really just genuinely trying to get to know each other. Walang ano, yung parang magpa-perform ako. Baka si Harold na. They were really like, just genuinely trying to get to know each other. And I love that kasi doon naman talaga nagsisimula ang love story.
That's true. Kaya naman po, Direk Jairo.
Actually, sobrang kagabi pa ako hindi na nakatulog. Kami nila Ron, hindi ko na makatulog. Kasi excited kami din na i-share itong half episode na to. Only because we know that it's a good show. Like, when we finished shooting it, as in yun lang yung, syempre ayaw naman namin iset yung sarili namin for disappointment, pero kasi malakas talaga yung loob, yung pakiramdam namin that we did a good show this season. So, ako, confident ko yung sasabihin at hindi ako mapapahiya na maganda ang season 3. So yun po, kaya kanina nung pinapanood at nakikita ko nagre-react sila, and I think like na-sense din ng mga tao na iba siyang tono. Iba siyang tono from season 1 and 2. And yun, I think abangan nyo kung ano yung pagkakaiba na to. Kasi sinabi na rin ni Miss Mela kanina, ni Mother Mela, na it's a mature show. So yun, kaya rin ako tuwang-tuwa dito sa season 3. So yun.
Thank you so much, Direk Jairo and Direk Ted. Last but not the least, Mother Mela, our mother's partner, Miss Mela, what do you have to say about yung half ng episode 1?
Ang ganda. Congratulations. As in, directed, Direk Jairo, congratulations because we did not disappoint. It's just the first 30 minutes of Sparks Camp Season 3. And we're trying to show not just the Filipino people, but the whole world, how beautiful queer people are. And these 10 campers of Season 3 are proof that there are many layers, there are many faces, and there are many facets to LGBTQ+ individuals. Kasi sasabihin natin na bagaman may mga magkakatono, may mga magkakamukha, iba pa rin yung bitbit nilang kwento, iba yung bitbit nilang mga karanasan, and that's what diverse experiences are all about. And hopefully, the world will see and will relate to every camper that they will be seeing in this show.
Thank you so much, Miss Mela. We love that message. And honestly, after watching the first 30 minutes, alam niyo yung parang yung mga album na no-skip album. Itong first 30 minutes, no skip or no fast forward episode siya. And I'm so excited to see the full episode very, very soon, Direk. And all of our campers, Miss Mela, congratulations. Okay, ngayon naman, of course, after I asked you guys for your reactions, it's time for us to talk to our friends from the media since meron silang mga questions for our campers and of course our directors and Miss Mela. Okay, ito. Mayroon akong kodigo. Okay. Friends from the media, thank you so much for sending in your questions. Ito na po, our Q&A portion for our campers and of course our team behind Sparks Camp Season 3. First off, we have from Reggie Bonoan from Bandera. Okay, this question is for Miss Mela, our mother's partner. Okay, may mga pagbabago po bang mapapanood ngayon Season 3 or same lang din po ba sa Season 1 and 2? Ano po ang nangyari sa mga nanalo?
Ayun, maraming salamat po sa question. Definitely, bawat season may kanya-kanyang kwento, may kanya-kanyang mukha. Sabi ko nga kanina, kung yung Season 1 ay demure, at Season 2 ay puksaan, dito natin makikita sa Season 3 kung saan naka-anchor talaga ang dating experience. And that is opening up through conversations. And I think all of the campers here really tried their best to to engage, to ask questions, to tell their stories without any pretension. At yun yung pinakabumuhay sa Season 3. Kaya, I guess, sana matutunan ng ating audience na lahat ay nagsisimula hindi lang sa physical na katangian. Yes, merong mga types, pero na-overcome kasi siya once you get to know the camper or the person deeper. It is through conversations that we're trying to really get to know the core, the values, and the things that make an individual really beautiful and attractive. So yun yung dapat nating abangan kung paano yung pag-usad ng conversations at pagbuo ng spark throughout the season.
Thank you so much, Miss Mela. Okay, our second question from Reggie is for Direct Ted. Okay. Direct, sa Season 3 po, sa ang province kayo nag-shoot at bakit iyon yung napili yung lugar?
Ayun, so every season we want to offer a new visual experience. So nung Season 1, sinet namin sa lake, sa Cavite, Laguna. Sa Season 2 naman, sa beach ng Pangasinan. So, ayun, may lake, beach, ano po bang hindi namin napuntahan, and yun yung mountainside. And so we shot sa isang conservation camp sa Nueva Ecija. So yun yung location namin, yan din yung bago namin may offer na visual sa Season 3.
Thank you so much, Direct Ted. Thank you again, Miss Mela. And thank you to Reggie of Bandera for sending in your question. Our next questions are from Jeffrey Perdon of Showbiz Online Portal. This is for Direct Ted. Okay. Direct Ted, what impact do you hope the show will have on broader conversations around queer relationships and visibility?
Mother.
Bella? Still? Charis.
Yeah. Go, Mother. Kaya to ni Mother. Mother, can you answer for me, please? And
Yes, okay po. I think what Sparks Camp really stands by is to be able to show a representation of what queer people are and what queer romance is. And at a time in which queer romance, queer interactions are being challenged, sana ang Sparks Camp ay maging isang representasyon kung saan nakikita yung ganda at yung halaga ng identidad at yung halaga ng pag-ibig. In the recent weeks, we've seen conversations that challenges same-sex marriage, same-sex union, conversations that really impact the whole community. At ito yung pangunahing mithiin ng Sparks Camp, na ang pag-ibig ng bawat isang tao, whether it be heterosexual love, homosexual love, queer love, lahat yun ay maganda. Dahil ang pag-ibig, first and foremost, is beautiful.
Thank you so much, Miss Mela. Love it. Yes, of course, any type of love is beautiful. Love wins all the time. Diba? Direct, Hiram, would you like to add?
Yeah, I think kanina nabanggit na rin na Sparks Camp 3 is the most deliberate season yet in Sparks Camp. Only because in Sparks Camp 3, we are given a specific agenda and purpose. Because we are first put in a bigger platform. So with the bigger platform comes with a bigger responsibility to expand. So Sparks Camp 3 is expansion. Sparks Camp 3 is reaching out to those people na hindi madalas namin na-reach ng mga kwento ng Sparks Camp. Kasi dati nasa bubble kami ng Black Sheep, nasa bubble kami ng ano. Ngayon mas lumalawak tayo. And ang paglawak na to comes with challenges, it comes with obstacles. Nakita namin sungin because medyo nakakaiyak siya, pero we are confident with our show, what it stands for, and what it's fighting, it is fighting for. So we hope that Sparks Camp becomes, kumbaga, ang show ay mas maging matapang pa para harapin yung mas malawak na audience. Kasi kung hindi tayo magiging mas malawak bilang mga tao, pati itong show na to, kung hindi siya mapapalawak, mamamatay siya. So, kailangan natin ma-reach yung mas maraming tao, makausap ang mas maraming tao, para maipaliwanag natin anong klaseng buhay ng queer, anong klaseng buhay meron tayo bilang LGBTQ, at bakit tayo may karapatang magpahal. So, yun.
Thank you so much, Direk Jairo. Very beautiful. Directed. Would you like to add?
Ako naman, as a rom-com director ng mga hetero love stories, ako naman sa director, ang purpose ko lang sa ngayon is really to entertain people, to make the people fall in love with the love stories of these campers. And yun naman yung nagustuhan ko sa show when, straight females, madami yung fans sa mga queer and non-straight people, and mga babae in particular, na sobrang nai-love sa mga campers at kinikilig sa mga love stories nila. And then, alam mo yun, pag nai-enjoy sila, na-entertain sila at kinikilig, na-realize nila na, oh nga, bakit ayaw din payagan silang mag-same-sex marriage? Eh parang tao naman sila, nakakaramdam ng love, ng hurt, ng pain. So yun yung gusto kong, ako basically an entertainer, yun yung purpose ko dito na to really make the people fall in love, to provide healing and to entertain them para eventually ma-realize nila hindi na ako homophobic. Yun kasi yun parang kinikilig na ako, nag-root na ako for them, and yun naman yung pinapromise namin sa season 3. We went back to the basic that this is a dating show, and so when we choose the cast members, we had to ask their preferences, we had to ask kung ano yung parang sinong pwedeng magkaroon ng chemistry at maging compatible kasi we want to provide the ultimate kilig love story.
Thank you so much, Direk Jairo, Ms. Mela, thank you as well. And I also would like to thank then, of course, the ABS-CBN digital team for also making this possible. Siyempre, it's so nice that ABS-CBN is able to bring awareness to the LGBTQIA+ community and, bring inclusivity to our shows as well. Recently, even Love at First Spike also does talk about LGBTQIA+. So thank you so much, ABS-CBN. And siyempre, we are also extending to all of the allies out there, gaining more allies in our LGBTQIA+ community. Kaya thank you guys so much. And thank you as well to Jeffrey Perdon.